student certificate. It is completely student certificate. But as I got my PhD now, I become a doctorate. Now I have to PhD students also now. Now how to guide them? Like whether I need to involve with them or only like I need to do some management.
Very simple answer to your question is, you will be a confident person only if you work. Right? How much advice I can speak this much here. I can advise only if I am super confident that if I do what I have told, or if I have done it and I am successful, then only I can pass on this information. So, as a PhD guide also, initially you have to work. If you have got 10 PhD guides, obviously you cannot work with them. Then your role comes to advising, etc. But what someone is doing, the guide has to understand. And if guide has to understand what someone is doing, he must know what he would have done. Okay? So it's like cooking. Okay, mother tells cooking is what you have to buy rice and then boil it, put it in cooker, and then that's what I told. But if they really start doing it, they won't know how much water to be added, how much heat is to be given, for how much time is to be. They won't know. So unless the person who has done it tells, it will not have meaning. So as a PhD guide, when you got best somewhere initially, you will also have to work along with him. And slowly it simply fizzles out because you have more work to do. But then with experience, you understand that you need not actually sit down and do it. But if you were to sit down and do, you will be able to, you should be able to. That confidence, suppose he stops doing it. Like mother is telling these girls are even mixing. Okay, you are not able to do it, I will do chapati. Now, if the only advisor is there how to do chapati, how to do rice, he says, now I am not going to do, you do it, and false now. So, a guide is expected to do it, but with now n number of softwares available, see MATLAB for example. Anybody has seen MATLAB manual? I have physical MATLAB manual in my institution. The MATLAB manuals, printed manual, is this much thick. Never anybody can read it. Never. Only when something you are blocked, you go to help menu and check how to do it. So my advice to you is, you should have confidence of doing it if he leaves it up to you. That confidence, if you have, you need not physically.
Sometimes competing is also a little bit dangerous.
Yes.
What I did is I started working with my student, and now he's asking to write a paper.
No, you are correct. So you understood it correctly. It should not be spoon feeding, but holding by hand is required. Just like child, how long I hold hand with my child? Till 4 5 years. Then he has to cross the road himself. He has to be aware of every time that he did not happen. Same. That's why once again I repeat. PhD. PH stands for philosophy, and that philosophy is of life, is of living, and nothing to do with religion or any such thing. So I hope I have been able to pass on some information to you. If there are no questions, and hopefully kept you awake all the time. And I just shared my experiences with you. You are welcome to contact me. My email address is there on it. Faculty members and students. So if there are no questions, we can close now. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. With utmost respect, we thank you for your valuable session. It's been a great day for us. It's an honor to us to have such an eminent academician with us. Sir has delivered talk on helpful hints for prospective researchers. It is very useful for us research scholars who is pursuing PhDs. Topics covered in this session are how to do or begin research, importance of guide in research, how much time we have to allocate for to devote to the research, pros and cons encountered while doing research, what we want to avoid while writing the manuscripts, and lastly, steps to successful research like identification of the problem, literature survey, organized paper writing. Once again, thank you, sir, for your thoughtful, thought-provoking session, sir. Thank you.